Did you know that every time you connect your AirPods, you're honoring a 1,000-year-old Viking king? The Bluetooth technology in your phone is literally named after King Harald Bluetooth Gormson, a 10th century Danish ruler who had a dead tooth that looked blue. But here's where it gets crazy. Tech engineers in the 1990s were trying to name their new wireless technology that connects different devices together. They remembered this Viking king who was famous for uniting warring Danish tribes into one kingdom. Since their technology was doing the same thing, uniting different gadgets, they thought, perfect, let's name it after the guy who brought everyone together. And that Bluetooth logo on your phone, those aren't just random shapes. They're actually ancient Viking runes that spell out Harald Bluetooth's initials, H and B. So every time you pair your phone to your car, you're basically using a technology named after a medieval king with bad dental hygiene who was really good at making enemies become friends. Your smartphone is more Viking than you thought.